In today's fast-paced world, learning should not be confined by location. With Infinity Vision online classes, we bring the best of classroom teaching directly to you, anytime, anywhere. Our live interactive classes ensure that your doubts are resolved instantly. Engage with top faculty, participate in discussions, and experience a classroom-like environment from the comfort of your home. Learning doesn't stop when the class ends. With our Talk to Expert facility, you can get one-on-one doubt resolution even after class hours. Missed a class? Need revision? No worries. Get unlimited access to recorded lectures anytime, so you can revisit concepts whenever needed. Practice is the key to success. With daily practice questions, online notes, and downloadable handouts, you'll always be a step ahead in your preparation. With a well-organized online timetable, plan your study schedule efficiently. Stay on track and prepare with a systematic approach. Assess your progress with our regular online tests, track your performance with All India ranking, and fine-tune your strategy with detailed analytics. With Infinity Vision online classes, experience seamless, effective, and personalized learning, all from the comfort of your home. Because your dreams deserve the best no matter where you are.